back to another review. We're going to be unboxing a special car today. Been waiting patiently for this one for a pretty long time. So here we go. Got two of them. We got the 2020 Chase Elliott All-Star raced version. So we'll keep that bad boy back there. And let me open this one up real quick. I was at this race, so this means a lot. Being my favorite driver and winning that specific race, great to see. So here we go. We got the raced version. So we're gonna look at the nose here. UniFirst up top. All the dirt, the tape, all that build-up going on. Down the side, we're gonna get the special all-star placement going on with the numbers. There's the UniFirst. We got some donut going on right there. We got the tire blowout detail that I would assume would be really nice on the 124 coming up later on. But we got Napa, Hooters, Mountain Dew, barely holding on there. On the back, UniFirst again, Valvoline, the Camaro, Napa up top with Elliott. Down this side, some more race markings, looking pretty good there. Napa, Hooters, Mountain Dew. The placement going on, more rubber build-up. So this is definitely going to be a good-looking 124 when that comes out. So let's go ahead and bring in the regular UniFirst scheme from last year. And let's see how this specific team and brand changed it up for the All-Star race. So straight ahead, a little bit less green going on with the All-Star car, and a different shade of green too. But the hood looks roughly the same, and the top looks roughly the same. But down the side, of course, we're going to get the big changes. The UniFirst name moves up, and the number moves back on the All-Star version. And Napa takes the place of UniFirst there on the All-Star car. I personally think, this is probably biased, but I personally think that this All-Star car is good looking, and I think they did a good job with moving everything back, and I like it. I'm glad he won, of course. And I'm gonna have to review the light up 124 that I got coming and the standard 124 raced version, of course. But that will do it for this specific review. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you, guys.
There's nothing like Bristol. There's nothing like the lights here. There's nothing like racing here. Never won here. What a race to do it. Just really proud of our team tonight and rebounding. We've had a really tough couple weeks.